Why chop wagwan, it's your boy Singh. We're back with another banger video, and today we're in the beautiful parish of Trelawney at Ocean Coral Spring. And I'll show them.
Jamaica!
Alright, so today we're going to be finding out how Jamaican are you. We're going to be asking people 5 simple questions and see if they get all of them right to see how Jamaican they are. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you laugh at any point in time, hit the subscribe button and share with a friend so that they can enjoy the moment.
Never shot. No. You have to take a, you can't go result and take a shot out.
Okay, so where's the shot?
Take a shot.
Alright, cheers. Cheers.
Ready? See there? Bad. You know we're out for the experiment, and these hot girls here, we couldn't resist them. The girls are banging on the beach, kupang body.
Right. Alright, why chop wagwan, it's your boy Singh Zima. How you guys doing?
We're good.
Alright, what's your names?
I'm Tracy. Angel. Tracy.
Tracy and Angel?
Yes.
Can I get your name?
Sunny.
Sunny?
Yes.
Like Sunny?
Yes.
Can I get your name, please?
Yes, it's Deborah O'Driscoll.
Deborah?
Deborah
O'Driscoll?
O'Driscoll.
Okay, O'Driscoll.
Yep.
Okay.
My husband's Irish.
Right. It's
Yeah.
different. Alright, where are you from?
I'm from Texas.
Texas?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I get your name?
Brad Vickers,
Brad Vickers? Alright, Brad, where are you from?
Houston, Texas.
Houston, Texas. Alright, we have a lot of Texas people in the building.
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
Okay. The questions today is surrounding how Jamaican are you? So on a scale of 1 to 10, how Jamaican you guys think you are?
A good 8.5. You know?
That enough still in, are you sure?
Yeah, I do.
Alright. What about you?
I say a 4.
A 4?
A 4.
Alright, so Sonny, how long have you been here?
A week.
A week? So you've been here for quite some time. How Jamaican do you think you are? No, actually, where are you coming from?
California.
California? Alright, how Jamaican do you think you are on a scale of 1 to 10? Seeing that you've been here for 1 week.
5.
5 out of 10?
Yeah.
Texan,
Yeah.
how long have you been here?
We've been here 6 days.
6 days is a long time.
Yes, it
but
has.
have you been enjoying the vacation?
Yeah, absolutely.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how you been enjoying?
I would say 10.
10 out of 10?
Yep.
Alright, so seeing that you've been in Jamaica for 6 long days, right? How Jamaican do you think you are?
Me now? Jamaican me crazy. I'm a 10, mother.
Alright, so how long have you been in Jamaica?
Today is 6 days. I'm going back tomorrow.
Okay, alright. Have you been enjoying the vacation?
Absolutely.
Alright. So seeing that you've been here for 6 days, right? How Jamaican do you think you are?
I'm about 37% Jamaican.
37%. That's very
Yes.
specific. Why that number?
Well, I just like 37%.
Okay,
37 is my favorite number.
Since you're so Jamaican, right? What year did Jamaica gain independence?
Dang. 18.
18?
Lying.
Since you're so Jamaican, I'm going to ask you 5 simple questions about Jamaica, and if you get all 5 of them right, then it's definitely a 10, okay?
All right.
Are you ready?
Okay.
What is Jamaica's national dish?
Jerk chicken.
Alright, so I'm going to ask you a few simple questions that you should know, seeing that you've been here for a week. Okay?
Right.
What is Jamaica's national dish?
Aki.
Alright. I'm going to ask you 5 questions about Jamaica.
Alright.
And if you get all 5 of them right, then you're definitely 100% Jamaican. So you can change that.
Oh, absolutely. I'm good. I feel like I may be 100% Jamaican.
Okay, alright.
But I live in Houston, so I can't be a totally 100% right. All right, go ahead.
Right, so what year did Jamaica gain independence?
Oh, well, we're doing damn math class in 1874.
No.
Okay, 19. Let me be logical. 1950s.
No, close though.
73.
No, in between.
1965.
62.
62.
Yeah, so you're close. So I'll make her more Jamaican than you.
I mean, I don't know.
Right. What does soon forward mean? Soon forward.
I look forward to see you.
Soon forward. It means that you soon come.
Oh, it's soon come.
Yeah. Alright, what is Jamaica's national bird?
What is it? I would have to say, actually, I haven't seen any birds.
Okay, the national bird is the hummingbird though.
Oh, okay, hummingbird.
Like 1998.
No, 62. 1962.
Oh, okay. Well, see, now you educated me right there.
What is Jamaica's national dish?
Ooh, that's jerk chicken. Goat.
No, not goat.
Oh, it is jerk chicken and rice. Yeah, I thought it maybe, but I like goat too. But
Goat.
yeah,
Yeah,
but you
yeah,
don't
yeah,
get
yeah.
goat here too.
Eat a jerk.
Goat outside, right? Yeah.
Alright, next question. What does the term soon forward mean?
Say it again.
Soon forward.
Soon forward.
Soon forward.
See you soon.
Soon forward.
I haven't heard that one before. Yeah, me either.
Soon forward. Soon.
Come on, let's go.
Come
on, let's go.
Soon come back. Like
Oh,
you
you're
soon.
gonna come back?
Yeah,
to
right.
that?
Yeah.
Alright,
Soon
got it.
forward or soon reach or soon go.
That's why I said it before. Yeah.
Right.
I'm not Jamaican at all.
Alright, what does wagwan mean?
Oh, Wagon.
You can't.
How are you?
Okay,
How's
alright, good.
everything?
Yeah. You must know that. You can.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
alright.
you say Medea.
Yeah, Medea.
Yeah.
Not me there.
Oh,
Medea.
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 Yeah, you're there.
Yeah.
Medea Bill.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
One love.
Translate the phrase. Me, I go down the road.
We're going on the road.
Me, I go down the road. Close.
We got on the road.
Me, I go down the road.
Yeah, I am on the road.
Okay, alright, we'll make it work. What does the term me I go down the road mean?
All right. Yes.
Yeah, me I go down the road.
So I've been here. I've only been here 6 times, so I don't know.
Me I go
But it
down.
sounds like fun.
Me I go down the road. Try.
Me. Say it one more time.
Me I go down the road.
Me go down the road. Oh, you're going down the road.
Yeah.
I'm going down the road. I'm going to the airport tomorrow. Me going down the road.
Right.
All right.
Alright.
Cool, it's 8.5. That's why I'm saying I'm Jamaican. You know, I get down like that.
Alright. What does white pre white chop mean?
Wow. This some real patois right now.
Not really.
Does it mean the skin color, skin tone?
White pre white chop.
White pretty white chop?
White pre white chop. Wagwan. That's my intro. So white.
Wagwan means like what's up?
Okay, so what does white pre and white chop mean?
How are you doing?
Same thing.
Oh, okay.
Right. Which parish is the bread basket parish?
The bread basket?
Parish.
St. James?
Close in area, but no, not St. James.
I don't know.
St. Elizabeth is the bread basket parish. All
St.
right.
Elizabeth.
All right.
That one from the airport.
All right. Me a chopper.
I love you.
Me a,
We're drinking.
me a chopper.
I love you.
Me a chopper.
Me a chump.
Me a chopper. Me a chopper. What does the term soon forward mean?
Soon fall with me. It's getting dark.
Soon forward.
Soon fall with me.
Soon forward.
I have no idea.
It means I soon come, like it soon come, or you soon
Oh, okay. So
get to it.
I was close.
Very
Early.
close. Translate the phrase. Me I got on the road.
I just got on the road.
Me I got on the road.
I'm
Me I got on the road.
finna get on the road.
Me I got down the road.
On the way.
Me I got down the road.
On the way.
Me I got down the road.
I'm on the way.
Yeah.
Oh, me I gone.
Me I got down the road.
I'm on the way.
Me I got down the road.
It's down the street. Oh, it's
Me?
down the street. I'm walking down the street.
Me I go.
I'm going down the street.
Right.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. All right. Last question. What is Jamaica's national bird?
Hummingbird.
Okay. Yeah. See it. You're about 6 or 7 out of 10. You're not a 4 or 5.
Oh,
you're
nice.
Yeah. Big up. All right. So thanks for joining. Thanks for being a part of the video.
Thank
Big
you.
up yourself. Yeah. Enjoy your vacation.
Thank you.
All right. Last question. What is Jamaica's national bird?
Wow. No. No, it's not a hawk.
Name the counties.
The county. Like the parishes, you saying?
The counties.
In Jamaica?
Yeah. All right, wait. How many parishes are in Jamaica?
14. 14, right? Yeah, 14 parishes. 14? See? I'm saying the right answer. I don't want to acknowledge the right answer.
No. I have no idea.
All right. Try. You have to go to this person once in a while.
Well,
so-
we were down River Falls and there was a bunch of birds flying, but they're not seagulls, but they look like seagulls.
That's not the national bird. The national bird is the doctor bird.
So I knew it wasn't. I knew it wasn't seagulls.
The doctor or the hummingbird? That's the name.
A hummingbird?
Yeah, hummingbird.
Ducktail?
Doctor? Doctor?
Doctor.
Like a doctor? You know, you go to doctor to check out.
Doctor.
So doctor or hummingbird?
Doctor or hummingbird?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Alright, respect. Thanks for playing though.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
Enjoyed
respect.
it.
Yeah. Alright, why pre white of Wagwan, it's your boy Singh Zima. Can I get your name?
Alric,
Alric. Alright, Alric. How Jamaican do you think you are on a scale of 1 to 10?
10.
10? You sure? Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, it's your boy Singh Zima. Can I get your name?
Ashley,
Ashley. Alright, nice to meet you, Ashley. Where are you from?
St. Catherine.
Alright, from St. Catherine. So you're born and grew in Jamaica?
Yeah,
Alright, how Jamaican do you think you are on a scale of 1 to 10?
7.
7?
Yeah,
Why not 10?
but I'm not going to hype up myself like that.
Oh, you don't want fluffy so I respect that, I respect that. Alright, why pre white up Wagwan? My name is Singh Zima. What's your name?
Peyton,
Peyton? Alright, Peyton, where are you from?
Houston, Texas.
Texas, so all the Texas people here, is it?
yeah.
So you've been here for like 6 days, right?
Yeah, I came here Sunday. I leave tomorrow.
Alright, no problem, no problem. So 1 week. Alright, how Jamaican do you think you are? On a scale of 1 to 10.
1. I'm not. Y'all, like, I'm not Jamaican. I'm just.
Alright, so why pre white up Wagwan? Can I get your name?
Nikisha.
Nikisha? Alright, Nikisha, so today we're trying to find out how Jamaican people are, right? So on a scale of 1 to 10, how Jamaican do you think you are?
Me 10.
10 out of 10?
Great.
You sure?
I'm sure about that.
This might change your mind, you know.
No, sir. 10.
How Jamaican do you think you are?
Yeah, 10.
10? You?
10.
10? So all 3 10s? 30 out of 10? Alright. So since you're so Jamaican, I'm going to ask you a few questions, and if you get all of them right, then you're definitely a 10. If not, then maybe you're not as Jamaican as you think you are. That cool?
Alright.
Alright. Which parish is the breadbasket parish?
Red basket.
So I'm going to ask you 5 simple questions about Jamaica, and if you get all 5 of them right, then you're 10 out of 10 Jamaican.
Okay,
What is the breadbasket parish?
St. Elizabeth.
Okay. What does Wagwan mean?
Wagwan.
Wagwan. What? They must tell you what Wagwan mean. Wagwan.
No one told me what Wagwan. Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Walk on.
Which parish is the breadbasket parish?
St. Elizabeth.
Right. Jeez. Which parish is the breadbasket parish?
Bread basket. I'm not sure which part is the bread basket part.
Bread. Think about basket and the bread.
Probably St. Yes.
St. Elizabeth. All right.
So,
all
I
right,
think so.
Okay. All right. Who tell you?
Yeah, one gentleman a while ago.
What year did Jamaica gain independence?
1962.
Okay.
I don't.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Yeah,
Like,
Wagwan. Wagwan.
like Wagwan.
Wagwan.
So what's up?
Yeah.
Like, what's up? How you doing? Type of thing.
Alright, what does the term "me a chopper" mean?
Mia Choppa?
Me a chopper. Yeah, man! What year did Jamaica gain independence?
1962.
Okay, alright. Translate the phrase, me I go down the road.
I am going down the road.
Right. Okay, alright. What is Jamaica's national dish?
I can saltfish.
Okay.
Mia Choppa.
Chopper.
I'm gonna say you're my brother. Like that's just gonna like Mia Choppa. Like you're my. That's how I.
Some people actually do use it like that, but when you say me a chopper, it means you're a scammer.
You're a scammer.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, shit, I was. Wow.
What does Y pre white chop mean?
Why be right, chop?
Y pre white chop Wagwan.
That's Wagwan.
What does Wagwan mean though?
Hi.
What's going on?
Right. Name the 3 counties.
Cornwall, Middlesex, and Surrey.
Alright. What does the phrase "me a chopper" mean? Me a chopper.
Me a chopper. Yo.
Chop. Translate the phrase. Me a go down the road.
I'm going down the road.
So forward. So forward.
I'm coming.
Okay, alright.
Ayana. Sorry. Me a chopper.
Me a chopper.
You get the money? I don't know.
No, you're a chopper. What is chopping?
Yeah, busher. No, yeah.
What is the capital of Jamaica?
I actually have no clue.
None.
No clue. But
Try.
I'm gonna guess. I was gonna guess Kingston.
Okay,
Kingston.
alright, Kingston. Good job. What is Jamaica's national dish?
Lord God, man, I can't saltfish.
What is Jamaica?
Dumpling night, so.
What year did Jamaica gain independence?
That's it. I don't remember. Tell you that.
Try it.
I don't remember.
Really listen to you in the school. You know?
I really don't remember.
Something. That's the answer.
No, I don't remember. I don't get it.
19.
Yeah, chopper.
Chopper. Chop the line.
Yeah, bridge light.
Look at you.
But alright, so me a chopper is basically a scammer.
Yeah.
So people said it right.
Okay.
One term now. Oh yeah, what's Jamaica's national rum?
National rum?
Rum.
Oh hell. I've drank so many.
What's your favorite so far?
Honestly, I don't. They just feed me alcohol or rum in it. I don't really know.
What is Jamaica's national bird?
The doctor bird, hummingbird.
National tree?
Lignum vitae.
Alright.
I don't remember. Trust me.
You don't remember none song? Alright, it's 1962, Zine. Alright, what is Jamaica's national bird?
Hummingbird.
Alright, good job. Say definitely. Yeah, well, I mean.
Somewhat Jamaican.
Somewhat Jamaican. Alright, last question. Name the 3 counties.
Sorry, Middlesex and Cornwall.
Okay, congratulations. You're, what, at 80% Jamaican? So
90.
to answer them confident. Me a chopper.
I'm chopper.
Me a chopper. When somebody said them a chopper. Name the 3 counties one by one. Name one.
Lord God. Middlesex, Surrey, and... Thank you, my dad. Middlesex, Surrey, and Cornwall.
Right. Alright, big up on yourself. Thank you guys so much.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Oh, what's it called?
Sing, Zima. You have it? Sing, Zima, and I girl them bima. In a curfew, on Netflix. If me ever lonely, me call me side chick. She jump in a bed while me count up the bricks. 9x matic, extended clip. Pull up in a D, brand new bima. Dog them the ramp, to squeeze up the trigger. Shoot up a boy till him get this figure. Him have picnic with even consider. You don't know, we are roll with the team. Girl them a say, whoever dress need. From Ferragamo to the Gucci. She love you, but she wanna roll with a G.